A tornado warning remains in effect until 11:30 p.m. for northeastern Ransom and southwestern Cass counties. At 11:19 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Enderline, or 34 miles southwest of Fargo, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source, Weather Spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Enderlin and Sheldon. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.